Like, is this too much to handle? I don't wanna live feeling disappointed. Only thing I want is to achieve. Give me some room, let me just fucking lead. Doing this, I don't even need nobody. Feeling I'm that one dude smoking, feeling like a zombie, rapping just like a mummy. Rapping, mummy, burrito, now I'm humming. Out here and I feel this shit is coming, going dumb. Let me make my music come out, let me make it flow. Make a flow, make a soda flow, soda pop, let it drop, don't let it sip. Sip, let me take a sip. Hold up, I said don't sip, let me get a rip, let me rip the mic and let me get a rip. I'm hungry cause I'm eating all these snacks tonight. And I'm killing all these beats just to warm up. And I have so many bars, I can't lose them all. Man, I have to keep them all, I have to get them all. Really have to do my thing, I swear I have to ash them all. Ash them all like smoking, then I ash them all. Ash like ash catcher. Ash catch him, I know I catch him. I had to get him, I had to get him, I had to grab him. Had to grab me, had to grab myself and I put me back to the old me. When I really wanted it, these niggas, they don't know me. I'm feeling gold and I'm chosen, gold glowing. You know when niggas going, po going down to the other side. I'm from the west side, this where the best die. Tupac, you know, I'm tryna bump his shit. And we out here and I feel this nigga ain't even rich. I'm not rich, real shit. I'm talking about myself like if I was in the third tour in a view. Man, I'm doing the thing and I'm really in my room. Sitting down, they need to get a room. So they do the broom, like a car broom. I'm sweeping all of this dust and they feel that I got my fume. I'm flying in the air and the eyes is in the skies. And they looking right in my eyes and I can see when they telling the truth or telling them lies. I don't wanna be that dude out here with nothing to do. I wanna make my music, make everybody that I know, make them all happy now, like a Happy Meal, get it happy now. Man, they wanna see me doing it and I swear to God that I have no pappy now. I mean a poppy now, and she call me Poppy now. I used to have old girls and they used to call me Poppy down. Now I have my new life coming through, feeling like I'm in a different green light. Green light, don't stop while I steam right. I mean I stare right, then I stare right. Like I'm swearing, I swear I'm swearing, then I'm swearing. I know a nigga's airing, now I'm flying just like Aaron. I'm Aaron, airborne. See a nigga, he was born from the sky, then sent down to this earth shit. This earth shit, you don't wanna get that turf shit. I'm not from no turfs, banging blocks. I mean banging on the blocks, doing the turfing. Used to be turfing, nigga, I wasn't hurting. I know they want that beef and I'm getting what I deserve. And what I'm deserving, I'm feeling niggas earning everything and now I'm yearning, yawning. Same shit, it don't even mean if I wake up all in the morning, then I'm sitting on these niggas cause I've been shitting the whole night. Real shit out here, about to get another drink. They wanna see me do my thing, I'm doing it and I'm flowing right with the flute. They know what niggas going, I ain't gonna vent, but then I vented. Yeah, I vented, I already vented, I vented already. Already vented already. Yeah, I vented.